Heading back down the trail. It took a while. The lake was not that great. The lake was rather anticlimactic. Dried up a little bit. As to be expected, I guess. Unfortunately for the weather changes and droughts. The hike is nice, very scenic. The trip there was much better than the actual destination, I think. Nice place to wet your feet. Nice place for the kids. But if you're hiking there just for that, you might get a little disappointed. They have drive-up parking available, $5. Lots of picnic tables, restroom, barbecue pits. So Julie had a little slip and fall here on this corner. Scraped up her arm a little bit, little road rash. We cleaned it off with cotton balls and sanitizing materials from our first aid kit. Always bring a first aid kit, you never know. Here's the first aid kit we have. That's about everything you need for traveling. Pretty nice little kit. It is a nice hike for scenic views. I don't know what the elevation climb is, we'll find out. You bled out yet?
I don't even know to say anything.
What's your arm look like? Ooh.
This is the back. Huh?
No. There is some slippery rocks here. Loose gravel, loose rocks. Fine dirt that can be quickly turned into a slippery surface. On this trail today we've only seen a total of maybe 6 people. While we were heading up, it's getting warmer now, so there's not anyone else coming up this way. We haven't seen anyone coming down. Like I said, this trail has a lot of nice views to offer. We just passed back over the creek that we crossed earlier. And I noticed these weeds growing up here. Pretty cool. Getting back closer to the visitor center, back again, walking again next to the road. If not for the traffic noise, it's still a pretty cool little hike. San Bernardino National Forest. I believe it's Barton Flats Information Center.